Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. And they're off. Ting Tang grabbing the early lead. And moving up by the rail is Eagle Swings. It's Eagle Swings in the lead, followed by Ting Tang. And in between horses is La Huerta. And nearing the far turn, Eagle Swings, La Huerta on the outside, Ting Tang. And Pot of Gold, Mr. Love. Moving up on the outside, Luna Rosa. And Europa is bringing up the rear. It is still Eagle Swing in the lead, followed by La Huerta on the outside in second. Ting Tang remains in third. And moving up by the rear, Mr. Love. Pot of Gold moving up on the farther outside. Rounding the far turn, Eagle Swings in the lead, followed by La Huerta now moving up on the outside. It's La Huerta in the lead, followed by Eagle Swings in second. And at the last bend for home, La Huerta, followed by Eagle Swing, Ting Tang, and Pot of Gold moving up on the farther outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, still La Huerta, followed by Eagle Swings, Ting Tang on the farther outside, Mr. Love, Pot of Gold. But it's still La Huerta in the lead, Eagle Swings, and Ting Tang, Mr. Love, Pot of Gold on the farther outside. And finally, at the payoff line, La Huerta, a close finish, Ting Tang, Mr. Love, Eagle Swings.
Okay, crossing the wire first, entry number 3, the top choice.